Welcome to U.S. Classic Muscle Cars.
Please watch the next video.
Yay!
Here we have a 1969 Chevelle. Enjoy the show.
Hi, my name's Joe. This is my 69 Chevelle SS, 396, 3 1/4 horse. I've owned it for the past 13 years. I've gotten awards at Muscle Car Corvette Nationals. 2 years ago, I've won a gold and Judge's Choice. Other than that, I bought it the way it was. Just did some updates on it to make it correct, factory correct. And that's about it. This is a base coat, clear coat. It's original Cortez silver, numbers matching car. It was restored up at on the north side by Tom and Jerry's Auto Body.
All right.
The owner is Tom Sawa of the body shop that did the full restoration. And that was done 2008.
Okay.
So it's an older restoration.
It looks sweet. It looks sweet. How's it to drive?
It's nice. It's a nice car to drive. I mean, it drives like an old car, but that's the way they were back then.
Right.
68?
69.
69? My brother bought one when he came to 68.
And then we have
Those are the original. That's the wheel or the tires that came on on the car when it was manufactured.
Right.
Bias ply tires.
right. And then so what do you enjoy most? Car shows, showing it off?
I enjoy going to the car show, spending with my friends, spending time with my friends with the other cars, and driving it. Yep.
Sure.
I enjoy driving it.
And speaking of friends, which friends are over here? Anyone?
Those are all my childhood friends over there.
Over there?
All.
The back, when you look at the backlight, the reflectors in there, it'll tell you the year of the car.
There you go. Cool. Let's take a look at the back. So this is, I mean, it's like sweet. But you're finished with it, right?
Yes. Few things I got to do yet, but not much. Just trying to get it factory correct.
But I mean, this is so straight.
Yep.
It's just really
That's
nice.
the guy that
Did it work?
Tom and Jerry's Auto Body.
Highly recommended.
Yes, very, very recommended.
And how do you like this show? How do you know about this show?
Well, I grew up, around here, and still stay in touch with people that lived here.
Sure. Look at that. That's cool. You let anyone else drive it?
No, just myself. And my buddy right there, guy in the Garfield Ridge shirt. This is another friend of mine, Lenny.
Hey, Lenny.
Another guy I grew up with.
Put me on no video.
Sure.
So,
Can we take a peek at the engine?
sure.
What's that? Is that Brian Holman?
Yeah. They're selling them over there. I had this a couple of years ago.
Really taking a chance riding bicycles from there.
So what are we looking at right here?
This is a 396, 325 horse Chevy engine.
And you said you put this in how long ago?
No, this is the way it came.
Oh, really? Okay.
So, yeah. It's a numbers matching.
Right, you said that.
Numbers matching
You
car.
said that. Wow. Wow. Beautiful look. And when you turned it over, I mean, it purred. I mean, I've interviewed thousands and thousands of cars, and this thing just purrs like a kitten. Wow. Now, did that Tom and He do all.
He did the full restoration.
Wow.
Yes. Yes.
Nice. And then the, have you, I would imagine that you've never taken it to the track at all.
No, I don't drag race it. No, no, not at all.
And, wow. Yeah, he did a great job.
Yes.
He did a great
I
job.
highly recommend him as a restorer of classic cars.
Okay. And then do you have anything special with the exhaust?
It's a Gardner, exhaust out of New York, so it's a exact replica of what came in on when it was factory.
There you go. And then can we hear how the exhaust sounds?
You want me to start it up?
If you would.
All right. Thanks for watching my video on my Chevelle. I hope you enjoyed it.